How to add a wireless printer on Android Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to connect your phone to a printer so you can print directly over Wi-Fi. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Connections from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on More Connection Settings to see additional options. At this point, tap on Printing to open the printing settings. In the next step, tap on Default Print Service to make sure it's turned on. Following this, tap on Add Printer if your printer doesn't show up automatically. Once done, your phone will search the network and list any available printers nearby. From here, tap on your printer's name once it appears in the list. At this stage, wait a moment while your phone connects and sets up the printer automatically. Keep in mind, your phone and printer both need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Finally, once connected, you'll be able to select this printer directly from the print menu in any app. And that's it. If this guide helped you add a wireless printer on Android Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.